Okay, this is part one of the fall finds from Walmart. We are working with Walmart this fall to get the amazing presence of cool, warm fall vibe decor out into the world. I always enjoy this time of year working with Walmart because honestly is like the perfect intro to a different season. We're coming off of summer. It's hot, it's gross. I do not like it. I really enjoy being able to see all the different finds that I can get, and they are different brands, but they're all at Walmart. So I wanted to show you this first wave of products I've ordered. Really excited about adding it to my own house because, as you guys know, I like color. I like vintagey vibes. Like I like vintage tones, a vintage flair, very eclectic, but thoughtful, curated. And honestly, there's some things that I've been looking for a while, and I got it at Walmart. First things first. I honestly like really love this. Like this is a sturdy bowl, like perfect for produce. I'm honestly going to add it to my collection of bowls in the kitchen because I love bowls. But this is acacia wood, a wood footed bowl. It's by Better Homes and Gardens. I hadn't seen this before. I've seen similar pieces, really just like the bowl itself, but I like that this has a footed base on it. I feel like it makes it look just a little bit more, you know, classy, like a little more, you know. The second thing that I thought this was really nice, I don't really feel like taking it out of its package yet, but I'm gonna do it. I get why it comes apart now because if you use this and it gets dirty, you can wash it off without getting the wood wet. This is a very elevated look. It is a marble platter with a wooden stand. So this is really nice for if you have like a little fall party with your girlfriends. You can like put some cheese and crackers on here, some grapes, whatever you would. I really think this marble tone is very gorgeous. And that is also by Better Homes and Gardens. Let's move to mainstays for a second. This is a little trinket box. You know what I like it for? Remotes. You could use this for so many reasons. You could use it for jewelry. You could use it to honestly like shove some cash in it. If you have like a little cash drawer at home, this is cute. This is very pretty. I didn't know what it was going to be like on the inside, so I'm glad I opened it. It's all wood. I didn't know if it would have like velvet or something. All wood, very nice. And it has these little magnets to keep the lid on. I am very into wood in our house. It doesn't hurt that my husband is a woodworker, but I really like it. I feel like it's the perfect way to add warmth to a home, but also like we have a lot of wood tones going on. And I feel like when you just kind of like dive into it all and make them work together, it's a cool look. So I really like all of this wood that I'm seeing. Back to Better Homes and Garden. Love this. This is obviously just a little platter dish. It has four little bowls. Again, perfect for if you are having friends over and you have like little nuggets, little dips, and you can divide everything out. And I feel like this is a fall statement without being like too fallish. As a professional organizer, I'm not super into the fact of like keeping holiday platters. I know some of you guys love it, and I love that for you, but we do not have storage in our house for that. Maybe one day I will. So, like, having a little something like this is just the right statement for fall. I can't wait to show you this piece. I thought this was going to be tiny. It's not. I didn't look at the size. Look at this freaking big candle, but I love it because look, it has like a gingham pattern in the glass. And this is warm leathered amber. I wish you could smell it. That honestly smells so good. And it's wooden wicks. Gonna sound pretty and look pretty. And they have so many different scents and colors that can go with your vibe. But again, brown, love brown. I saw this the other day and thought it was the cutest thing ever. We've all seen the really bright, colorful, pretty board games that are out and new, but I love that this is more of a warm, toned down look that can go in a house that's not focused on super bright colors. I think that this is so just darling. I want to take it out of here. This is even cuter. Stop. I didn't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. I think this is so darling. This is way more like intentional and beautiful than I thought it would be. So, color me surprised. But I love this book. It's textured, you can kind of feel it. And it's just like you could like literally slide this in on a bookshelf or just put it somewhere in your living room so you and your kids can grab it. Honestly, geeking out the most over these. I bought six of these, six of each size of these, I should say. I love these ribbed glasses, very classy. I love this brown tone in here. So I got this size and then I got the bigger one. And like I said, I got six of each because I really like, we don't have matching cups. And like these were like $2 each, like something around there. Don't quote me on that, but they're somewhere around there. I'll put the price lower. I'll put the price down here. Okay. But so cute. I love these sizes. I think it's perfect. Um, Our kids are always looking for glasses. We're always out because there is 7 of us in our home at times. That's crazy. Look at this. Like, how lovely is that? I love this marble tone as well. This is Better Homes and Garden, and I love this wood feature. I think this is so pretty to like pair with these other serving pieces, and it just kind of gives just honestly the right fall look. Again, I love Halloween, but fall, autumn, whatever you want to go with, it lasts for a while. I like to lean into that just like a little bit more to like cozy up the house, make it feel like, hey, I want to light a candle and I want to sit on your couch, like, and get a blanket. It's honestly is super fun because Walmart, I've never seen anything like this at Walmart, and I'm like, dang, this could be cool for like a laundry room. It is a Lazy Susan slash turntable, whatever you want to call it. This turntable is 16 inches. Again, this is great for a hosting situation, putting your food on it, putting whatever you need, and you can like easily spin it so everyone can kind of get what they want. But always going back to the organizer mind, this could be really cute in like a bar situation. This could be really cute in a laundry room. You could get several and put them in your pantry if you have the space. And honestly, you could just put it on your dining table and like put salt and pepper, napkins, whatever you want on there. So that's very sweet. Got a couple of like little like clothing slash accessories as well because you can't go into fall without accessorizing. This was a very cute Jessica Simpson top. I love that it's a little cropped. I think this is going to be darling with some jeans. So I got this cute little watch. It's by No Boundaries and it is like a maroon leather patent watch. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to wear it with that shirt. And then I got these earrings. Also, so sweet. Very good fall look. I love the gold, and I love this brown, and I think it's gonna look cute with this little shirt and some jeans and this watch, of course. So this is my part one haul. I think it is just so wonderful. It's such a good fall vibe, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll put all the links below or in the caption or somewhere, and that way you guys can get started on your fall vibe.